Okay lah. Want to sit here, huh? Yeah, I do.
I will.
I want to.
$4.30. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you guys back again. My setup is a little different right now. I'm in KL today. I just wanted to like have a little break for myself, and here I am just taking the break that I deserve. Tomorrow and the day after I have 2 events in the pipeline, and I wanted some quiet time to sit down and complete a couple of blog posts as well. So I'm having sort of like a writer's block at the moment. I wanted to inspire myself and come out and just see stuff back again, because at home my routine is different. My routine is more like, you know, I'm always with my niece and nephew and my mom, although I love working at home as well. But it's also good to be out to, you know, just have a little bit of inspiration by seeing something random on the street or seeing people in general. I think it's really nice. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be here and do a couple of work first before I break my fast at 5. The time is 4:25 and I'm thinking of leaving out at 5 o'clock. I don't have any food here yet, so I'm gonna go out, break my fast, and then get a couple of stuff, come back and then chill at home in this Airbnb. I have a couple of things that I want to do in Pavilion. So for one, I have an eye on this particular gadget from Apple for the longest time. For a year almost, you guys, I'm not even kidding you. Since a year now, I wanted to get this, but always I'm standing in between my way, like, do I really need it, or is it something that I'm just fancying? And today I decided, you know what, if I'm gonna find the gray color ones, the black ones, I'm gonna get it. It's the AirPod Max Pro, I think it's called Pro, AirPod Max, so somewhere around there. I think it's the AirPod Max. I really love it so much. I once went into the Apple store and I heard it, like, you know, just to experience the whole headphones, and it was so good. And I was like, oh my god, I really want this, but do I really need it? Is it really a need? So, but after much contemplation, I'm like, you know what, if I'm gonna get it today, I'm gonna get it. If I find it today with the color that I want, I'm definitely getting it. So that's number one. Number two, I want to find a couple of nice dresses. I am going for the event tomorrow. I don't have anything smart casual, and it's been so long since I shopped anything as well. So I thought, like, I'm gonna go and grab something from H&M and walk into Sephora and get a couple of stuff as well. I want to stock up the Rare Beauty products. Saw them online yesterday. They have their body mist and also body lotion, and reading up the reviews, and it's like fresh and zesty and lemon and all of that, and I'm a person who loves anything citrusy, so if I find them, I'm gonna get them for sure. And I get a couple of my skincare, stock it up, and that's gonna be it. So it's gonna be a really interesting day with me. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I know I'm talking a lot, you guys. I have my work laid out here. This is a collaboration with Cocoon, a skincare brand in Vietnam, but they have it here in Malaysia as well. So the sun is really hitting good, so I'm going to take this opportunity and start creating my content so that later on at night I can just sit down, chill, watch something and start editing. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm under time pressure now, so it's going to be a chop time. I'm going to see you later. Went downstairs and bought something, and let's drink this together. So let's open up my first ever Coach bag. I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's a Coach logo here. Very pretty. It's so classy. Couldn't get a Grab right, unfortunately. I'm feeling a little sad about it, but yeah, it's pretty much okay. Today did not go as planned. I had a lot of things that I wanted to do, but unfortunately my Grab ride was cancelled so many times from 5 to 7, and I decided that it's not working today. So I'm gonna stay back in and do the needful. So I ordered a couple of food for takeouts, and I had my food now, and I'm just watching something on Netflix. I just put it on a pause. I want to come here and brush my teeth and yeah, end the night. So tomorrow will be a very exciting day. It is the launch of Hotel Indigo at Jalan Puncak here. Really look forward to going for this event for the past few weeks now, ever since the invite came in, because I know this PR lady and she's been so sweet. Her name is Dulia. She's so amazing, and I loved working with her for a couple of collaborations, and this is one of it. I'm so excited to also see her as well, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Slightly, this door is Guys, we're saying bye to Meshi. It was so nice to see her today. So Isn't she lovely?
So nice to see you.
So we are heading back. She's dropping me. She's so generous. She's dropping me back. And I have a ton of things to do, you guys. I have to edit today's story reels and then post them. So I'm gonna see you guys at the hotel. Bye. So my day started off with going to Pavilion, and from Pavilion onwards we went to Mid Valley. We did a couple of shopping. Me and my brother, we did a couple of shopping. We went out. We just had a little sister brother time. This is my birth brother, by the way. I just don't share him a lot on my social media, but I have two brothers, younger brother, and this is the last one, my most favorite one. I know we're not supposed to say that, but as a sister I have a favorite. I love both of my brothers, but this one, the last one, is a little bit special. So I'm actually going to remove my makeup and get ready for bed. Tomorrow Murad event is about 11 AM, so I'm going to leave here about 10:30 onwards, depending on how long I would get there on time. I really want to reach on time actually. It was actually so lovely to meet Mash earlier. She's the owner of Mash Candle, by the way. I've always seen her empowering reels about her weight loss journey, about resistance, about motivation and all of that. She's really like an inspiration to look up to. It's so amazing to meet her. I spent my entire evening just with her actually, so it's so good to see someone who is so passionate about what they do. And if you guys haven't followed, please follow Mash Candle. She's amazing as she is, and she dropped me a couple of heartfelt messages on Instagram. This was what she mentioned. Sorry Mash, I'm going to share because people have to see how amazing of a person you are. This is her cute love note. She sent such amazing notes actually. I'm so glad that we met. So perhaps we are planning for a collaboration. Perhaps I'm going to keep you guys in check with that. But for now, I just want to get changed and edit a couple of reels of the event. Like, I just want to say thank you to Hotel Indigo for inviting me for your brand launch. I'm wishing you guys a happy, heartiest congratulations. I do believe that being in the center of KL, your hotel is going to flourish. So good luck to you guys. Thank you Cult Creative Asia for inviting me over. Special thank you to my dear girl Julia. I love you. It was so good to see you today. Apart from that, you guys, I have to get ready for tomorrow's event. Other than that, let's go ahead and remove my makeup. Had such an amazing stay. I look forward to going back home and meeting our little nephew and my mom and everyone else. So I think it's really a good short getaway. So first, let's get going to Murad's launch.
I need the left side of the face. If you can, you just put your hair behind. Because pigmentation is from inner, it's not just acne. Thank you.
It's probably acting for many years, for a few decades.
Have to bring mom here, right? Thank you for watching till the very end of the video. I have a couple of PR gifts that I received. I'm gonna unbox all of them in my next vlog. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Bye!